Riddim.
Oh, yeah. Oh, heart clear movements, yeah. Digital, I've been life hurt than it's physical. I say, I still like it spiritual. Oh, yeah. When all your life seems hopeless, and your problem puts you down. Waking up, there's so many bills, and your youth can't go to school. Make it feel like it's only you. Ooh, hey, it feels like you wanna fly, but your wings are broken. It makes you wanna cry. I know it's hard, but that is life. I know one day you'll rise. Just take your place and testify. Cause Jah is on your side. Oh, Jah will carry you on, yeah. When all your strength is gone, yeah, He will be your shoulder to lean on.
They all wanna see you fall. They wanna see you with your back against the wall. Listen to me. Don't let them keep you down. Keep on working. One day you'll get your crown. That's why I keep knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. I keep on knocking on heaven's door. Cause I know there's a special crown that is waiting for me. Waiting for me. It's waiting for me. Waiting for me. It's waiting for me. Patexx tell them every day now. Listen me, hey. My day are still a trot on the battlefield. Now I get weary on the battlefield. Good message me I bring to the nation. Me mates gone for a higher meditation.
My name I call. Stand up tall and never fall. And the world general. Hear me now. Oh man, may not be your man if you have a next man. So just understand that, understand that. I'll tell you say you're right when me know say you're wrong. So just understand that, understand. Me not take the money and mine no woman. So just understand that, understand that. Me not go broke the man code. Gone up, y'all can this me out the road. Alright. Me not gonna make your man free me. Free is a crowd, so woman you have to free me. Because you look good and your eyes them dreamy. And you and I did have a couple apple martini. Oh man, me not be no second best. So you have to think and make a second guess. Because every bird have to find them nest. So make sure enough of your brain this digest. Oh man, me not be your man if you have a next man. So just understand that, understand that. I'll tell you say you're right when me know say you're wrong. So just understand that, understand. Me not take the money and mine no woman. So just understand that, understand that. Me not go broke the man code. Gone out, y'all can't diss me out the road. Oh man, if you can't take the truth, nobody talk to me. If you a liar, your bright days talk to me. Me say me not play no game, no bring no draft to me. You coulda.
Sometimes you have to burn couple bridges, make the bad mind them stop follow. Them a follow. In your life, them a cause fear, mischief and sorrow. Sometimes you have to burn couple bridges, make dirty people stop follow. Them a follow. Them not contribute nothing positive, only a beg and borrow. We no want them in our circle. No day, no time, no way. Them evil, them wicked, I see it, so them stay. Them can't violate, cause we never stray. Just a go on, do the work, how we soon get paid. Never get touched.
This is your career in the mix.
Part of the game, then the game must play. Me no selfish, me no evil, I know some mistake. That's why me make the chorus start play. Sometimes you have to burn couple bridges, make the bad mind them stop follow. Follow. In your life, them a cause fear, mischief and sorrow. Sometimes you have to burn couple bridges, make dirty people stop follow. Them not contribute nothing positive, only a beg and borrow. Every once in a while we have to burn a bridge, cause we can't make the wicked them know where we live. Every vibe for them I try bring it negative, and right now in our life appear positive. Some go so and turn and just throw them off. When them realize we missing them
I believe me continue, push out towards my dreams. My destination me I go reach. I believe with all of the pressure life brings, me win as long as me don't give in. I believe no matter how hard it seems, there is a solution for everything. Yeah, and it no matter if me lose every day, one day me must get paid. Me I keep me hopes up. Stay focused and me say me nah give up. Up, yeah. Cause life is a journey, yeah. You live and you learn it, hey. Me a keep me hopes up, yeah. We up. And hey, what you give you one, say it for stay. Nobody can take it away. And anytime I hear time, fi soar to the sky, them can't make your flight delay. Yeah, that's why me keep going on and on. Through the rain, through the sun, through the storm. And anytime I feel weak inside, Jah give me the strength to carry on. Me, I keep me hopes up. Stay focused and me say me nah give up.
He making me to lie down in green pastures.
Yeah.
He restoring my soul. People, I said the arms are fishy feel so you can't trust your own. A king never get no honor in his own town. In this dog world, man, I fi defend them on a bone. Cause when the thing can happen when they hear the dog on. Depend the 95 o'clock, about 95. Police pull me over about 245. Looking at me car, find 245. I interrogate me about 245, but when it rains, it falls. Oh mama, hungry pick me up. Oh mama, when it rains, it falls. Oh mama, innocent locked behind bars. Me did have a Sean John, but sunburn this Sean out. Put it on, you see they dress up like me gone out. Some wash over gold, me gone try fi pawn out. Babylon lock me down, ya pan crazy drawn out. You see, baby mother pregnant, no kid she born out. But when the picnic born like white man, it farm out. Me get my damn cross with the figure storm out. Me looking at myself and keep me calm out. Cause when it rains, it falls. Oh mama, hungry pick me up. Oh mama, when it rains, it falls. Yeah. Will you be there? Ooh, yeah. Baby girl, will you be the one to hold me? Will you be the one to love me or break my heart? Tell me girl, and if I'm ever feeling lonely, will you take the time to love me all night long? Be there to make me strong now. We've got chemistry, and it's the type I never search to find. I got this feeling when you're here with me, and right now I think my love is blind. Just the way you do what you do and say what you say is the reason you're on my mind. Will this be a forever love, or will this fade away with time? Girl, will you be the one to hold me? Or will you be the one to love me or break my heart? Tell me girl,
And if I'm ever feeling lonely, will you take the time to love me all night long? Be there to make me strong. Whenever love comes knocking, I'll be there on the top. Be a shining star and not a bit to burst your bubble. Raise your self-esteem and keep your heart out of trouble. Emotionally, I and your feet are not level.
The world is love more than ever. Please stop the killing of each other. Stop the violence, put it to silence. Make we live good now, no. Not the resident. Jamaica needs love more than ever. Please stop the killing of each other. Stop the violence, put it to silence. Make we live good now, no. Not the resident. In the book of Revelations, we read about tribulations. Oh, we're heading in that direction, and only love can give us protection. The world needs love more than ever. Please stop the killing of each other. So lovely and so wonderful, yeah. Greatly created by the Father to stand by me, to give me power, yeah. Such beauty lights up the room, yeah. Reflection like the sun and the moon, yeah. It's so amazing. This gift was created for a reason. It's there for every season. Her name is woman, yeah. Beautiful angel sent from heaven. A woman, yeah. Can't live without you, I'm happy around you. Woman, yeah. God's creation to bring forth the nations. A woman, that's why we call you woman. That's why we value the woman. She was created from my rib, a part of me, so I could have never hurt her. She's made to stand by my side, to be with my kids and to be my good wife, yeah. Let's heal the world with love. Show love now. Tell me how much you need me now. Squeeze me now. Say you'll never leave me now. Show love now. Show love now. Come, let's heal this world with love. Wondering what's the why for? What's the cut up and scar for? Life sweet, what you wanna die for? Make your money, don't make your mama die for. Show love, let it flow more. Not politician, it's love you should vote for. Show love, let it flow more. Heart be clean like grandma boat floor. Show love now. Tell me how much you need me now. Squeeze me now. Say you'll never leave me now. Show love now. Show love now. Come, let's heal this world with love. Put on the gun, nobody dig up and best. Right now, more peace on earth. Now show no love, move your blouse and skirt. Right now, more peace on earth. Show love for world.
Some people that does problem. Then we come and violate all when them know so you will hurt them. Some will start a war for no reason. To them while you hurt them, then you end up a prison. Me no have no offer prove, yeah man. Me just a flash and a rock into the groove, yeah man. It no worth it. Babylon a try your case in a circuit. Ash! You better be careful in this time. Open up your eyes and don't act like you're blind. You better be careful in this time. Don't let the pagans them confuse your mind. You better be careful in this time. Then we make you go jailhouse, go spend time. You better be careful in this time. Tell the ghetto youths them walk the straight line. It's not like them tough like we, but me no have the money fi go waste my lawyer say. Entrepreneurship, businessman I pray. House on the hill and look down inna the blue say. Me nah make them stop my dream. Me a go for me goal as far as it seem. No make nobody program your brain and go tell you fi go rise the machine. You better be careful in this time. Open up your eyes and don't act like you're blind. You better be careful in this time. Don't let the pagans and
life for the greatest. Money are the next best thing. Everybody have them one life, so the best advice is Gwaan dating. Life for the greatest. Money and the next best thing. Everybody have their own life, so the best advice is Gwaan dating. But just a put in the work, the strength up, never dent up. We only deserve the success, so we a get. We've been through the worst. Jah give it the blessing and lift up the curse. Now everybody just a listen the verse and all the vibes to the positive words. And the world don't know, so we're blessed with no curse. And you know me up for different my girls, so me tell them again. Life for the greatest. Money are the next best thing. Everybody have their own life, so the best advice is Gwaan dating. Life for the greatest. Money are the next best thing. Everybody have their own life, so the best advice is Gwaan dating. Jah myself from day one. Life is love and it is the creator of the path to bring you to the savior. That man I breathe for them.
Never give up, never give in. Don't make nobody try and tell you that you can't win. That you can't win. Never give up, never give in. Don't make the struggles of life hold you back, my friend. Fight hard to win. Just never give in. Then give me water fi carry in a basket. No job, no day away for yourself fi create it. Necessities we can't even afford it. Shall keep a run, we say you think I in HD this. And them embarrassment they get a youth face. Me better keep because me can't afford that toothpaste. But every get a youth we have a dream. Be strong in yourself, don't give up just a never give up, never give in. Don't make nobody try and tell you that you can't win. That you can't win. Never give up, never give in. Don't make the struggles of life hold you back, my friend. And fight hard to win. Just never give in.
Them want see the ghetto youths last. Them push uptown and left the ghetto youths last. Yo, no encouragement for make the thing start. They quick fi find the man when them say push the hand cat door. Them sit down and
as if we want this to be a better place for you and me. We're gonna get up, stand up and fight for victory. If we want this to be a better place for you and me, because the politicians, they are not doing nothing for we. But if we all live in love, throw away all the hatred and grudge, we will see the picture is clear, that we don't have to live in fear. So I give thanks every morning as I rise up. We have to live in love and live in love. Cause if we want this to be a better place for you and me, we're gonna get up, stand up and fight for victory. If we want this to be a better place for you and me, because the politicians, they are not doing nothing for we. Bigger heads now make it better. You will know no matter wait till later. Cause the youth them a plan for rebel. Oh God, the youth them a plan for rebel.
We tired of your promises.
Be a badness.